What's up, y'all? This unit is definitely giving HD, and as you could see by the thumbnail, like, this is a everything unit. If you do not know how to do your hair, this is the unit that you need. Like, we're just getting straight into it. As you guys can see how it is constructed, it is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, basically pre-styled because it's a water wave unit. Now I'm just showing you guys how easy it is because you can literally throw this on and go. You can throw this on like this, but you guys know I like to put my little twist on it. And when it comes to units that are closure type units, I always like to pull my own sideburns out just to make it look a little bit more realistic, like you guys see me do at the beginning. But all I'm literally doing is just getting everything flat with my hot comb, and then I'm going to add a little baby hairs. But what you guys are going to see is you do not need no glue for this unit if you don't want to put any on there, because as you guys can see, this unit is already looking real good and I haven't added nothing to it. I'm just flattening it down. So I'm not going to add no spray adhesive like I would do traditionally. I'm just gonna go ahead and mold my baby hairs with my gel, and then I'm gonna spray a little bit in that middle piece just to give me like a little bit more security, which I really don't have to do. But as you guys can see this hairline, do you guys see how good this lace is? This is definitely HD because it is blending in for sure. Now we're just going ahead and doing these little baby hairs real quick. And when I tell y'all it's literally this easy, it's literally this easy. When I come to you guys and tell you guys about these wear and go units, you can literally put them on and go. Like, this didn't take me no time doing. Every time I do my hair and do a wear and go unit, I always have somewhere to go. Like, I literally was going to an event with my sister before I did my hair, and I did my hair in less than 10 minutes, and it was so cute. And I did all the extra to it when I really could have just threw it on and walked out the house, but still, me doing all of this, it was still under 10 minutes. And for the baby hairs, I just used a little Got2b, and you guys see I didn't use a skinny straightener to curl the baby hairs or anything. I just went ahead and styled them exactly how they were. Now that hot comb is going to be your key to getting everything looking really flat, but as you guys can see, I have yet to spray any spray adhesive or anything on there, and it was still looking like it was coming out of my scalp. I only sprayed it just a little bit just so that I can give myself some extra security, but I really didn't need to do that. I just went in with a little bit of makeup just to ensure that everything is looking really, really good. And I also went in and perfected that part. And we are basically done, y'all. Like, the hair definitely gives. Like, everything is given. Like, everything is already done for y'all. Like, y'all didn't even have to do this many steps. But if y'all want your hair to look very, very professional, like you sat in somebody's chair, then you can do this. But if you just want to go out and run out the door, you could throw it on and run out. But the Nadula Hair definitely did their thing, because do y'all see how good I look in a matter of minutes? Like, period. As you guys can see, this hair is so cute and big. Like, the natural look of it is so freaking cute. I don't know if I want to keep it like this or spray some water on it, but this is just so freaking cute. But I am going to lay it down for a little bit because, like I said before, I do have somewhere to go. Like, I'm literally getting ready right now. So while I do like a little bit of makeup and stuff, I am going to go ahead and lay this down because I didn't lay it down for real. And taking out your own baby hairs on the side when you're working with like a closure is always the best thing to do. It will have your stuff looking like it's not even a closure. Taking my melt pen. I'm just going to spray a little bit of holding spray around this area so it could be crisp when it's time to take it off. Okay. Take my melt pen. And I'm going to spray a little bit of this As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil water. You know, cute water wave, loose wave look. Just a little bit though. Like, y'all see how I'm spraying a little bit? Very cutesy. Let me stop. Okay, yeah. So it could still be big, but it still can, you can kind of see that it's kind of wet. That's the look I'm going for. So push this to the back. And same thing over here. All right, y'all, so this is what it's looking like right now. It is so freaking cute. I'm gonna show you how I look in the back. It's so cute and it's full. I'm back. I had went out and I was out for a few hours and it was raining outside, and I just want to show y'all how the hair looks. It looks so cute still. It's a little puffy. I didn't put no water on it or anything, didn't do anything to it, and it still looks really cute. Like, this big look is so cute. So I'm gonna put them in just some different styles so you guys can see just what different styles you can do, even though you are, you know, this isn't a frontal, this is a closure. So I'm gonna do something real quick just so y'all can see that you can style this different ways. Guys, so that is the end of this video. So if you guys want all the information for this hair, it will be linked in the description box down below, so make sure you guys check out those links so you can shop Nadula Hair. Overall, I feel like this was a pretty decent wig. It wasn't bad. Throughout the day it didn't get too big, and it's like just the right enough big that I like, and it really gives like the soft waves. The curls are really soft. Stay blessed. J Babies, we out. Nadula.